Have you ever found yourself wrestling with the complexities of business banking, wondering if there's a simpler, more streamlined solution? You're not alone. The world of business finance can be a confusing maze of jargon, paperwork, and frustratingly slow processes. This is where modern financial solutions like Qonto come in. But the big question we're tackling today is, who exactly can open a Qonto account? Is it for every kind of business? Every kind of entrepreneur? The short answer is, if you're a professional, a freelancer, a startup, or an SME in a number of European countries, Qonto is likely built for you. Qonto isn't just a bank account, it's a financial management platform designed to simplify the lives of business owners. This means they have specific criteria for who can join, and it all boils down to your legal structure and location. Let's break it down, starting with freelancers and solo entrepreneurs. If you're a freelancer, a sole proprietor, or operate a microenterprise, Qonto has dedicated solutions. You can open an account to manage your business finances, separate from your personal money, making tax time and bookkeeping a breeze. Qonto understands that as a one-person show, you don't need a complex corporate structure. You just need a simple, powerful tool to handle your income, expenses, and invoicing. The key requirement here is that you're a legitimate business entity, even if it's just you. They'll need a valid ID and details about your business activity to get you started. Now, what about companies? Qonto is a go-to for startups and small to medium-sized enterprises. This is where their platform truly shines. Whether you're a GmbH in Germany, a saas in France, a SRL in Italy, or a LDA in Portugal, Qonto supports a wide range of legal forms. They cater to both existing companies and those still in the formation stage. This is a massive benefit for new businesses, as Qonto can even assist with the capital deposit process, a crucial step in company formation. To open an account as a company, a legal representative or an authorized person needs to begin the process. You'll need to provide company details like your legal name, registration number, and corporate statutes. The verification process is a vital part of this, often involving a quick video identification check with a partner to confirm your identity. But it's not a free-for-all. There are some important restrictions to be aware of. Qonto is currently available to businesses in countries like France, Germany, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Belgium, Austria, and the Netherlands. So if your company is based elsewhere, you won't be able to open an account just yet. Additionally, they have a list of prohibited activities. This is standard for financial institutions and is designed to ensure compliance and security. Activities in certain high-risk sectors, such as gambling, the military, and some forms of financial brokerage, are generally not accepted. This is all laid out clearly in their terms and conditions, so it's always a good idea to check their website to see if your business type is supported. In a nutshell, Qonto is for the modern business owner who wants to take control of their finances with a sleek, digital platform. It's for the freelancer tired of mixing personal and professional expenses, the startup founder who needs to manage their capital deposit, and the SME that wants a comprehensive tool to handle team expenses, accounting, and more. It's a business-focused solution, not a personal one, and that's the key distinction. If you fit into one of these professional categories and are located in a supported country, Qonto is ready to help you simplify your business banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.